Today on 65 Mustang, I'm going to be working on the door lock, the door cylinder. The problem is I don't have the key for this lock, for this key cylinder. So what I'm going to do is convert the key cylinder to work with any key. Now, some of you might say, well, that's crazy. And it probably is. So not the smartest thing to do. But at least the door cylinder will be on the door, and you'll be able to lock it and nobody will know the difference. So I mean, you can go and buy a new cylinder or aftermarket cylinder, but for now I just want the car. The car hasn't been on the road for 4 years, so I just want the car on the road and probably buy the cylinder later on. But for now, we're going to convert this cylinder right here to work with any key. It's going to be a very quick, very simple thing to do. Okay guys, here is the cylinder. It's from a 1965 Mustang. I'm sure there's many cars that have a similar key cylinder. This is for the door. The driver's door and passenger door are very similar, the exact same thing. This section in here, there's little keys that slide inside this section, and when you insert the key from this angle, the tumblers, what I call tumblers, will actually go down, and when you insert the key, the tumblers will go down, and then you're able to turn the cylinder inside this cylinder. So what we need to do is remove the tumblers. So what I'm going to do here is take off the stainless steel cap here carefully. You don't have to be that careful because we're not going to reuse it. So I'm trying to get this so you guys can see. Let me move you here. There. So try to pry this cap off. Well, there we go. See? That cap. Boom. There's the cap. And if you look inside there, I don't know if you can see it or not. I don't know if you can see that or not. See, inside there is little springs. And under those springs are little tumblers. They should just fall out. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. There's 5. So here's the key. That's called a tumbler. Oh. So there's the tumbler right there. I don't know if you can see that or not. Tumbler. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 springs and 3 tumblers. So the tumblers must be still stuck in there. There. Well, looks like the tumbler. What the hell? So there. So now all the tumblers, or parts of the tumblers, are no longer in this key cylinder. So now I can just grab the key. This is not the right key for it, by the way. I can put it in there, and so the key in there now. Now I'm able to turn that. There and there. So now I can put that in the car, and nobody will know any different. Thanks for watching.